This is my friend Deb. My name is Jim. So we did a couple of different salsa steps. We started with our basic step, and we focused a lot on how to hold after the 3 and the 7. So 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and a 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We also did a cucaracha or a side break using that same timing. We had 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We quickly talked about the ladies' underarm turn to the right. So we did 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. We had a couple of variations for the right turn for the gentleman. Okay, let's see if I can do this. So we had 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That was the underarm turn for him. We also had behind the back. All right, so we had 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. Then we had the on the shoulder drop. So we had 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7, and you can change hands from there. We had the crossbody lead. We were talking about the tension in the crossbody lead to make it a little bit more dynamic. We had 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. That time, Deb did that on her own. Okay, and then we had the, oh boy, we had the inside turn from the crossbody lead. Just nice and slow. So we had 1, let's do that again. 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And then we started again. All right, let's do that one more time. Ready? So we had 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, 7. And then back up. All right. Thank you very much. We're going to have a lot of salsa tonight and a lot of other things. If you guys have any requests, please let me know.